Want to reset if you're locked out on Roblox? I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to find forgot Roblox password and how to reset if you're locked out. Alright, the first way is super easy, just pay close attention. Open Roblox and tap on the sign in button. As soon as you land on the Roblox sign-in page, Roblox might pop up a message that lets you continue straight into your account. From there, you can head to settings and reset your password. If that doesn't work for you, no worries, the second way might work better on your device. Tap sign in, type in your password, then hit next. After that, enter your email and tap next again. Now Roblox will send you an email. Check your inbox and grab the 6-digit code. Enter that code within 30 seconds. If it expires, just tap resend code and try again. Once the code goes through, create a strong new password. Type it one more time to confirm. Finally, tap update password and boom, your password will be reset if you were locked out. If this still doesn't fix it, don't stress, you're in the right spot. Let me show you another way. Open Google Chrome. Go to your profile. Then head over to Google Password Manager. Here, you should see your saved Roblox login. If you don't see it, there could be 2 reasons. First, try typing Roblox in the search bar. If it still doesn't show up, make sure you're signed into the same Gmail account that you used to create your Roblox account. Once you find Roblox, open it. On that page, you'll see your saved login info, including the password. This method is perfect if you forgot your password. Otherwise, you can stick with the second method. Thanks for watching.